Hello everyone, myself Sowmya, Assistant Professor in CSE AIML Department, MLR Institute of Technology. So in this video, we are going to discuss about AngularJS. So before AngularJS, discussing about AngularJS, so what it is, why we need this. Actually, AngularJS is a framework. So first we will discuss what is framework and how to install this AngularJS or how to use this AngularJS in our HTML programs. So in this video, we will mainly focus on what is a framework, why we need frameworks, and how to install and how to download this AngularJS. So first of all, what is framework? So we know whenever we do some programming, we use some predefined packages or predefined libraries. So this AngularJS or this framework is not a front end or back end or any database, but it will provide some libraries or documents or some packages which will make our work simple while developing our web page. So basically, AngularJS is also one of the framework. So that's why we are discussing about frameworks here. So the framework is nothing but it is a pre-established set of tools, libraries and conventions that provides a structured approach for developing the software applications. So by using these libraries and tools, we can make our work simple. So here, it will help the developers mainly. So to make their work simple, they are going to use this frameworks. So it is actually a collection of pre-written code and libraries. So these are like just like packages in Java or libraries in C or C++. So we are simply using them in our program to make our process simple for developing the web page. So why we need these frameworks? What are the uses of these frameworks? So mainly it will avoid the duplicates or redundancy of code. For example, if I want to use any predefined file or predefined library, I can directly use them by using this framework. Or else, if I want to develop my own library, then I can also do that and I can use that library for multiple times. So that is the meaning of this first statement. So duplicate. So you are writing only for once that library and you are using for many times. So this may be applicable for predefined libraries. At the same time, we can also create our own libraries. And coming to it makes our the work of developers easy. Why? Because they don't need to test this again. Why? Because all these are already pre-written code and they have compiled executed these codes. So they are perfectly all right to use in your application. So frameworks are maintained by group of people who test them and we can directly use them directly with much confidence we can use this. And it will provide the clean and source code, right? And next, it will reduce the time required to develop the application. So we don't need to write the complete code again and again. Simply we can depend on these frameworks, we can depend on these libraries. So these are the uses of frameworks. So AngularJS is one of the framework. So by using those libraries and tools, we can make our process simple to develop any web application. So now how to use this AngularJS application in our HTML file. So for that purpose, we are discussing about downloading and installing AngularJS. So here already we have our HTML file. For this, I need to add the AngularJS features. So how to add this? So this thing, I can do it in two ways. So the first one, you can download and install. And the second one, you can directly use the CDN links. So you can download this using this first process. You can use the CDN links. That is the second process. How to download that? So you can download the AngularJS library from this website angularjs.org. And after that, you can simply extract that folder. So basically, you need to download the .zip file. So after this, you need to extract the .zip file to a specific folder. So wherever you want to place this folder, you can place there. And now you can include your AngularJS to your project. How to include? So simply using the script tag. So for this script tag, you are using an attribute called source, and here we need to give the path of this angular.js. So already we have already we have extracted this zip file. So this zip file will contain, that folder will contain a file called angular.js. So first I need to get the path of that file. So simply copy that path and paste here. Then you can directly use AngularJS libraries in your application. So first we will see the first approach. First we will try to download the AngularJS file from the AngularJS website. So this is the website for AngularJS. So download AngularJS. So here we need to click on zip file and simply download it. So now you can check this. So this folder you can extract in any folder, any folder. So I'm just copying this and I'm pasting this in C drive. So this folder has copied. Now if I open this, so here we have Angular file. So this is the angular.js file. So this we need here. So if I simply copy that path, so I need only angular.js. So simply we can copy this path and we can paste here. So script source is equal to that complete path I should need here. So this is the first way. And coming to the second way, you can directly use the CDN link which is available in the internet. But to use the CDN link in your application, you need internet to execute your application. So this, if I search in Google for AngularJS CDN links, I will get so many links with the different versions. So these are all provided by the different websites also. So here this is provided by the cloudflare.com. In the same way, Ajax APIs, that site will also provide the CDN. But to use the CDNs, you need internet access. So this is the another way. So by using these two ways, so this is the first way and this is the second way. By using these two ways, you can include your AngularJS in your HTML file. So this is the library file you're including in the script tag as the source file. So you can write the script tag wherever you want in your application. It may be in the header section or it may be in the body section. By including this, you can use all the library files, all the tools provided by this AngularJS. So now you can start using this AngularJS. So that is about installation or usage of AngularJS in your HTML application. So in this video, we have seen what is a framework, why we need framework, and what is this AngularJS. So it is also a framework. That's why we are studying about the frameworks. And we have also seen how to install and how to download the AngularJS, or if you don't want to install or download the AngularJS, how to use the CDN links. So that we have seen. Thank you.